How to enable Face ID on App Store. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go back to your screen, go ahead to your general settings, and from here what I'm going to do next, I'm going to just scroll a little bit down until you find the facial recognition and passcode. So click on it, add your own passcode, and from here you're going to see your Face ID and passcode. Basically, Face ID and passcode relates to all apps, including the App Store. So whenever you try to make a purchase, outside, like a Safari or whatever, and if you want to download an external app from your App Store, they will ask you for your Face ID. If they didn't confirm it, they will ask you about the passcode so you can add it or fill it up in the App Store. So basically, in order to set up the Face ID and passcode, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and set up or reset right here. Instead of the reset, you're gonna see a button called set your own Face ID, and basically you're gonna just give them facial recognition of your own face, in the clear light. And basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just have to add your own passcode that goes along with it. So you have to add your own passcode, combining I think 4 to 6 digits, and after you did it, you can just be able to set your facial recognition and passcode. So whenever you take an action on a website to pay, for example, or to download an external app from your App Store, they will ask you for your Face ID, and if they didn't confirm it, they will ask you about your own passcode. Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.